Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you are going to connect your Unich wallet account. So ensure you watch this video till the end and do not skip any part of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please do well and support me by subscribing to this channel, like this video, share this video, and let's interact in the comment section. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp and Telegram community, links in the description of this video. And if you are yet to join this Unich airdrop, locate the link in the description of this video and in the comment section of this video. Click on the link, register, and start mining this project right now because their listing is just around the corner. So guys, like I said, in this video I'm going to show you how you are going to connect your Unich wallet account, and we are going to look at when is it going to be their listing date. So guys, once you come here, as you can see, here is my account. Make sure you are mining your Unich every day. So once you come here, you are going to click on this icon. So once you click on that icon, then you are going to click on visit Unich, and it's going to take you to this interface or this website. So once you come here, you are going to change the network to Solana blockchain. For you are going to see Ethereum. So you are going to click on this icon, then make sure you change it to Solana blockchain. So once you change it to Solana blockchain, then you are going to click on this plus sign. Then this is the interface. So once you come here, either you connect it to Phantom wallet or Bitget wallet or Sulfate wallet. You are going to click on Phantom, but if you have Bitget, then you go ahead and click on Bitget. If you have Sulfate, you go ahead and click on Sulfate, but I'm going to use Phantom wallet. So guys, once you click on Phantom wallet, then it's going to take you to this interface. You know, it's supposed to take us directly to our Phantom wallet, but it's taking us to this interface. So what you are going to do is you are going to come back. The reason why I'm doing this is because I've already downloaded Phantom wallet in my phone. So once you come back to the website, then you are going to click on this icon, then you are going to copy this link. So once you copy this link, then we'll go to our Phantom wallet. So guys, once you come to your Phantom wallet, then you are going to click on this icon. So once you click on this icon, then you are going to click on this search bar. Then you are going to paste the link you copy from that website. Then you go ahead and click on search. So once you come here, you are going to change the network to Solana network. Once you have changed the network to Solana on your Phantom wallet, then you are going to click on this plus sign, then you will click on Phantom, then it's going to load. Then go ahead and click this connect icon. Here you can see we have successfully connected our wallet. And if you want to participate in their IDO preset, then come over here and this Unich token. You can see the price is currently trading at $0.7. So you can come here to make sure you have some Solana in your wallet, then participate in their pre-sale. If you participate in this pre-sale, they are going to allocate tokens to users who participate in their pre-sale. So like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to participate in the pre-sale, then you can go ahead and participate in the pre-sale. So guys, and if you click on this icon, then you click on airdrop, then it's going to take you to this interface. So once you come here, you are to log in to your Unich account. So to log into your account, you are going to click on register claim. So once you click on register to claim, then you are going to click on sign in. But if you do not have account with them, then you click on sign up. But if you have account with them, then you click on sign in. Then you are going to input your email address and your password. So once you input your details, then you click on I'm not a robot. Then you are going to solve this CAPTCHA. So guys, actually to solve this CAPTCHA is very difficult. So later I'm going to solve this. So you can go ahead, log into your account. Once you log into your account, then you are good to go. So about their listing date, they announced that their TGE is going to happen in next quarter, that's Q4 of this year. But maybe they are going to change their mind and shift it to this quarter, because still there are some rumors that they are going to list their tokens on the 14th of August, but that's a rumor. We haven't confirmed it yet from them, but the one we confirm is that they are going to list in the next quarter. And like I said, this wallet connection, you can participate in their pre-sale. It's meant for pre-sale. So guys, that is it. Please like this video, share this video, and let's interact in the comment section. See you at the top. So guys, I'm going to show you how you are going to connect